Yes? Okay. Good morning from the Netherlands. No rain today. We have been waiting for it a couple of weeks to make a video from this beautiful Honda VTR SP2 from 2002. Well, it's the first time I'm going to ride it. I started it up and the sound is amazing. So I have to be careful here on the road. It's a bit slippery and the tires are new. So let's start it up. Wow! The bike feels very fast already. On low RPM. The bike weighs around 200 kilograms and has 135 HP. And it's a Honda, so it's a quality bike. The bike has 42,587 kilometers. And last year in February the bike got serviced, and we have got the invoice from that. It's around €900. I think I would enjoy riding this bike for a nice ride. To test it out. This road is too short to get a good feeling, but this bike feels really good, and I understand why people are so positive. Okay. Here the bike has a great sound. The silencers are not original, but as you can see here on the floor we put is the original are there. And also the passenger seat you can mount, so the bike is complete. Very nice bike. It will be online, I think, maybe this morning or tomorrow or Monday. You can order the bike online. We ship worldwide. You can visit us in the Netherlands, or you can have a video call. We can show you the bike, and don't wait too long. I think this bike will sell pretty fast. If you like the video, follow us on the YouTube channel. Or Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and visit the website VintageMotorcycles.nl. Thank you, bye bye.